Yo guys, this is your boy MNTB and up for another video, and today's video, it's Siglakas Day 2.
He's coming.
Didn't you say you could make him sleep?
When he walks, he's too powerful. I can't.
Yo guys, I haven't vlogged for 25 minutes because I was really busy, and we are now making for the bingo because mag-bingo me sa bingo, and we're still here in our booth. Miss, nana ka sa YouTube. Nana ka sa YouTube. Hey guys, mura ko kahilantanon karong adlaw guys, medyo kasabot sa akong paminaw. Moadtos ako sa clinic para mapatambal. Hey guys, so I'm here na sa amo ang booth with my Ate Erica sa cute outfit. Sapatos te. So the nurse told me to drink these medicines, BioFlu. So one BioFlu, one Alaxan FR, and one Ambroxol. Just gonna drink this one.
Kapos ako pinyo, picture na dito ay. Diba dapat ang should be kon?
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story, and I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Yep, it's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent. Oh yeah. Stings the nostrils in a good way. Yeah. Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you. That smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
hapon.
Yo guys, and I guess I'm gonna end the boring day here. I'm gonna end this Siglakas day 2. Sorry, di ba siya boring? It's just that wala ko sa akong mood karon because I have mood swings. Before I end this vlog guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa Giver Montebon ngayong hapon. At ang ating guest ngayon sa programa natin ay si Miss Joy Marilao. At ito nga po siya. Miss Joy Marilao. Si Miss Joy Marilao po ay isang Bachelor of Information Technology Education student.
Wala sila ay makapilong sana natin picture na. Dear Marlo, your sister is... Makapilong sana natin silang Marlo picture day. Usap na
Ano po?
picture day. Pwede picture day. Wala kita picture na silang Marlo. Ni Arlie ba ano ba, Jiboy ha? Ano ba?
Sige Marlo, oy Marlo.
Marlo! Ready, go home. Where did she go? Arito, ay, ganun. Uy na, Jeremy! Ibutang sa ninyo mga bag. Picture me! Tarungan!
What's up vlog? Uy, si Kate. Kate. Ay po, nandito po tayo sa SSC ng CSAS. Nandito po tayo sa kapundukan ng CSSC. At tatanungin natin ng isang importanteng tanong. Tejoy, ang tanong ay, sino namatay? Yo guys, this is your boy MNTV and up for another video. And today's video, it's Siglakas Day 3.